Hello everyone, grade 2 English grammar, chapter number 10, making comparisons. Okay, so write down today's date on the top of the page. Today's date is 1st September 2021. So before we learn opposite words, and opposite words are very useful to compare the things, person, places. Okay, let's start. Read the sentences given below. An elephant is bigger than a pony. You can see here one elephant and pony. Okay, elephant and pony. Okay, donkey. The name of the donkey is Pony. Okay, so the sentence says us an elephant is bigger than a pony. Elephant pony से bigger है. Okay, next. The rope is longer than the ribbon. Here you can see rope and ribbon. So the sentence says us that the rope is longer than the ribbon. Otherwise we can say the ribbon is shorter than the ribbon. Okay. Next. The book is thicker than the comic. You can see here two books. Okay. So this book is thicker than the comic book. Okay. Fourth one. Veer is older than Sagar. You can see here two boys, Veer and Sagar. So Veer is older than Sagar. वीर सागर से बड़ा है एज में. ओके. फिफ्थ, हिना इज टॉलर देन रीमा. You can see here two pictures of the girls, Rima and Hina, and the sentence says us that Hina is taller than Rima. हाइट में हिना रीमा से लंबी है. ओके. सिक्स्थ वन, a peacock is more beautiful than a pigeon. Peacock pigeon से ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. The given sentences compare two things or persons. ओके, यहाँ पे जो sentences दिए हैं वो two things and persons को compare करते है. ओके. To show comparison between two things, places, persons or animals, we use er form of the describing word. ओके, तो जब भी two things, places, persons और animals का comparison करना होता है तो हम जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड हमने आगे भी सीखा था, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. सो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड में हम क्या लगाएंगे? er. ओके. समटाइम्स वी यूज मोर, वी ऑल्सो यूज देन. ओके, कई बार हम मोर यूज करते हैं कंपैरिजन दिखाने के लिए और कई बार हम देन भी यूज करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज ए, टिक राइट द करेक्ट वर्ड्स दैट डिस्क्राइब मिसिस एंड मिस्टर कुक. ओके, ये जो सेंटेंस है वो मिसिस एंड मिस्टर कुक को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. मिस्टर कुक इज थीन फैट. मिस्टर कुक थीन है कि फैट है? थीन. टिक राइट हियर. मिसिस कुक इज फैट और थीन? मिसिस कुक फैट. टिक राइट हियर. मिस्टर कुक इज टॉल और शॉर्ट? मिस्टर कुक टॉल है कि शॉर्ट है? सो टॉल. मिसिस कुक इज शॉर्ट, टॉल, शॉर्ट. कैन टिक राइट हियर. मिस्टर कुक वेयर्स कलरफुल और ब्लैक क्लोथ्स? कलरफुल क्लोथ्स. मिसिस कुक वेयर्स वाइट येलो ड्रेस? येलो ड्रेस. Exercise B. Read these sentences and tick write the correct word in the bracket. The teacher is older, younger than the student. Okay. Teacher student से older है कि younger? Older. The teacher is older than the student. Rohan is taller or shorter? Here you can see two pictures of two boys, Rohan and Naman. So Rohan is taller or shorter than Naman? Rohan is taller than Naman. A sack of rice is heavier or lighter than a packet of sugar. You can see here sack of rice and packet of sugar. So which is the heavier? Obviously sack of rice. So a sack of rice is heavier than a packet of sugar. Tom is smaller or bigger than Jerry? Jerry and Tom. So who is bigger? Tom. So we can say Tom is bigger than Jerry. Next page. Page number 32. Samir is fatter or thinner than Nitin. You can see here two image of boys, Samir and Nitin. So Samir is fatter than Nitin. Sixth one. The snake is longer, shorter than the caterpillar. Snake is longer than the caterpillar. Okay. Next. The file is thicker or thinner than the comic? So thicker is the right answer. The file is thicker than the comic. A butterfly is more beautiful or beautiful than a caterpillar. Okay. Beautiful and more beautiful. When we are doing comparison, we use more beautiful. So a butterfly is more beautiful than a caterpillar. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of word given in bracket. हमें यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स दिए. ओके. उसको हमें कंपैरिजन फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं वो देखते हैं. ओके. अ जिराफ इज ब्लैंक देन अ कैमल एंड वर्ड इज टॉल. द वर्ड इज टॉल. Giraffe is taller than a camel. A giraffe is taller than a camel. Comparison में giraffe camel से tall है. A mountain is blank than a hill. High. H-I-G-H. High. Here G-H is silent. H-I-G-H. G-H is silent. So here a mountain is higher than a hill. Higher, H-I-G-H-E-R, higher. Here we can use E-R. We can add E-R behind the describing word. A butterfly is smaller than a sparrow. A butterfly is smaller than a sparrow. And last one, an elephant has bigger ears than those of a deers. Elephant के ears बहुत सारे यहाँ पे deers है उससे भी बड़ा है. ओके. वैल्यू कॉर्नर. You want to be stronger and taller. आपको stronger and taller बनना है. Which food should you eat? आप कौन सा फूड खाओगे? सलाड, योगर्ट and fruit or burgers, chips and french fries? Give reasons why. आपको stronger and taller बनना है तो आपको कौन से फूड खाने चाहिए? Okay, it is my suggestion that we can eat salad, yogurt and fruits. It is very helpful for us and it is healthy food. Okay. Bye everyone.